Hi students, today we are discussing about the topic sorting on keys in data structure. What is sorting? Sorting means we can arrange the elements in any order. That means the ascending or descending order. The elements will be the numerical value or alphabet or chronological sequence, anything. Why use the sorting? We use the sorting, we can sort the elements. It is easy to search or retrieve, or that means get or manipulate data. That is the efficient way to get the data. So we are sorting the elements. Some of the sorting algorithms in data structure are bubble sort, quick sort, merge sort, selection sort, insertion sort, etc. Some of the sorters are here. First we see the simple example for sorting. This is our element in the array. First we can sort the element in ascending order. We can use any sort. For example, bubble sort, insertion sort, merge sort, any sort. First the ascending order. The ascending order is the smallest numbers to highest number. The array will be like this: 5, 6, 8, 10, 13. This is the ascending order. And next one is the descending order. Descending order means highest values to lowest value. This is the simple example for sorting. Now we can see our topic. What is sorting on keys? Use the key to sort the elements in the array. A sorting on keys is also known as the counting sorting or non-comparison sorting. It is also known as the counting or non-comparison sorting. Let's see the simple example. This is our array. This is our array. Our original array. First, we can use the key on sorting. First step is the find the maximum value in the array. That means highest value in the array. Which is the highest value? For this array, 6 is the highest. 6 is the highest value for array. We can select the maximum key value is from array. Okay, from array any value, maximum value. From our example, 6 is the maximum key value. So I can select this. The key values, again the key values are inserted between the 0 and this value, maximum value. Next one is the store the count number. We can store the count number is using the another array. The count array size is the key value plus 1, in maximum key value plus 1. In our example, maximum key value is 6 plus 1 equal to 7. The size of the array is 7. That means the size of the count array. Okay, count array means the maximum value plus 1. The size of the count array is 7. That means 0 to 6. First we can enter the values to all the put in 0. What's the count array? The count array, we can define the how many times the number will be repeated. Okay, that we enter the count array. For example, 0. From our example, 0 is in 1. Number of item is 1. So I put the 1. Next is the 1. 1 is the how many times? 1 time. So I put the 1. Okay. Next one is the 2. 2 is how many times? 1, 2. 2 times. So I put the 2. Next is the 3. Value 3. Value 3 how many times? 1, 2. 2 times from our array. So I entered the true. Next one is the 4. Is there is 4? No. The 4 is not here. So I enter the 0. Next one is the 5. How many times the 5 will be repeated? 1, 2. That means 2. Next one is the 6. 6 is how many times? 1 time. So I entered 1 time. This is the for count array. The count array means how many times the number repeated. Just enter how many times the number will be entered. Are you understood? Let us find the final array using the original array and then count array. Original means I'm taking example. Count array means we already put the value in count array. This value. Okay. The count array. Okay. Now next we can find the position. Okay. Position. We can put the position. Position to the that position is that value is inserted to the final array. The position is decremented by 1. This is the very important. I enter this value for the only for position. We can enter the final array decremented by 1. Okay. This is our array. This is the position. Okay, position. We can enter the position using the count array. In 0, 0 is in 1. So it is the first position. First I enter the 1. Okay, 1. Next 1, 1 is the 1. Upper next position is 1. 1 after next position is 2. I enter the 2. Next is the 2. 2 is the 2 array. Okay, 2 value. Next position is 3 and 4. You know, because it's a 2 value. Okay, 3 and 5. I enter the position is 4. Next is the 3. 3 is a 2. So same as I entered the position 2. 5, 6. Okay, position 6. Next is the 0. 0, 4 is the 0. So no position value. I enter the same 6. Next one is the 5. 5 is the 2. 6, 7. 8th position. Okay, 8th position. Next is 6. 6 is the 1. So next position 1, 9th position. Okay, it's the 9th position. Let's find the final array. And this is the answer. I explain step by step. First one is the goes to this step or this step, anyone. I go this side. 0. 0 is in this. After we enter the final array, it will decremented by 1. It's always in 1. I decremented by 1. It's a 0. So we enter the 0 in 0th position. Okay, up a 0. Next one is the 1. Next one is the 1. 1 is in second position. It's the rules. What is the rules? After we enter, before we enter the final array, we must decremented by 1. So I decremented 2 by 2. 2 by 1 is 1. Okay. Our 1 is position in 1. First position 1. Next one is the 3. The 3 is in what? 6th position. Okay. 6th position. I decremented by 1. It's a 5. Okay, 5. I enter the 3 in 5th position. 3 in 5th position. Next is the 2. The 2 is in the position 4. I decremented by 1 is a 3. Oh, 2 is in 3rd position. Next one is the 5. The 5 is in 8th position. The 5 is in 8th position. I decremented by 1. It's a 7. I enter the 5 to 7th position. I enter the 5 to 7th position. Next step is the 5. The 5 is in 5th position. And I already decremented by 1. It's the 5th. Again I decremented by 1. It's the 4th position. I enter the 5 value. Sorry, 5 value is this here. It's also in 8th position. I decremented by 1. It's also decremented by 1. It's the 6th position. 6th position, I enter the value 5. Next is the 2. 2 is already decremented by 3. It's decremented by 3. Again decremented, its value is 2. In the second position, I enter the value 2. Next is the 3. 3 is already decremented by 1, 5. Again I decremented, it is a 4. I enter the fourth position in the value 3. Next one is the 6th. 6th is 9th position. I decremented one value. It's the 8. I put the value in this 8th position. 6. This is the final answer. Are you understood the steps? I think you are clearly understood. Thank you, students.